It's Friday. Let's bake.
Trying to silence me, yeah. Anxiety, get off of me. Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety.
Look, shit got me tripping. Fighting with my demons and my demons is winning. I feel like don't nobody ever feel how I feel. And I ain't never sober, baby girl, I get hot still. She said, boy, don't sip lean and pop pills. It's 50 degrees and I can tell that you hot still. But I don't know what you on. Feel so right to do wrong. Can't buy love, it don't come with a coupon. And they'll never catch it like a nigga with no arms. Baby, I'm tripping, my feelings been frying me. I blame it all on anxiety. I had 2 chops with the still like I'm Chinese. Gotta keep it, I know how this life be. They showing real love, that's unlikely. Fuck you, I ain't asked you to like me. Watch for that snake, he might bite me. Watch out for anybody moving spicy. Do what you do, but just do it precisely. They gotta talk to you nicely. Check on your head, but it's nothing like Nike. I just hope you ain't taking it lightly.
Anxiety, keep on trying.